What's going on with you brothers and what's your guy going on? Listen, fellas, haven't been doing nature calisthenic workout ever since in October. It's not too late. It's no excuse. Let's continue to put in this down working grind, baby. 2022, we're golden. Let's go. I still got it. Why are they so mad? Why I am smiling all the time? Why I am dancing in public? Why I am feeling so much love and care, respect for myself? Because I am rejoicing within myself. Go to the Father. But I don't know about you. Because you're ugly within the inside. When you look at yourself in the mirror, you look like a Kageschmidt. By the end of that, I find myself very, very attractive. And I think it's pretty clean and pure. I wake up and get myself checked out, looking at myself as a damn model, post-aesthetic model. Know what I mean? That's 20 there, because I had to do 111 just for a reason, so I can catch up a bit more. I've been doing this about 1 year, and it's not easy, but it was definitely a practice, because I believed in myself and I had faith. Whether I had a lot of energy, stamina, and a higher testosterone, more than a 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, through 100, dude, my test, it's like 1,000 right now. I may not feel it, but I know I am drowning with full of high tea. Come on. They're over there right now partying, getting all drunk and high. I am over here working. another 20. Then I'm gonna do more 20s than that. Do some dips and the squats. Repeat. Don't know how much I did, but I'm going to keep on going and going and going and going, no matter what. But it's not about the numbers, it's about how long you can put. By the way, yeah, let's go. Is that a German Shepherd or a police dog? But yeah, I love dogs, but I'm basically a cat person, but how much I do love cats. But cats really are a very peace of mind. But dogs as well are more of a protector. Like it basically don't sleep, but if it does go to sleep, it sleeps with one eye open, just to be aware of its surroundings. All they're doing to look out for his friend, of his family, brother or sister, whatever you really want to call it. So I love dogs, but whether you really intimidate them, and I promise you, once you just sit on a dog, they'll start to love you. No cap. Let's go. Always gotta take your supplements, always gotta take your vitamins, and eat good, eat right, eat clean. Drink a lot of water as well. Continue to take your cold shower. If you don't feel like taking cold showers no more, just take them warm and a little bit cool so you can get like the good sensation. But just to make you feel more masculine or a feminine of your divine being, you know. So yeah, so we're definitely gonna keep on going, be more mystical about it, you know. So we're out here just winning. What is winning me? But I don't care about the rest of people, but I'm gonna keep on doing my shit. So I'm going somewhere. This is what me and my trainers would be doing, just like I did last summer in my boxing training out here, and I've been doing this at the gym as well. But how much it really make me secure, make me more confident, because I know I am confident without even trying, which means I don't believe in that shit, but I believe in knowledge. That's what really makes me confident, for real, for real. Then some people are gonna be like right now, damn, that is so many push-ups that he did ever since from the beginning, what he just did 10 minutes ago. And then I'm just like, damn, dude, I was too damn stoned, but I don't know how many push-ups that he did, to be honest. But now they just drove off and walked away and shit, because they cannot be confident with me because they have low self-esteem, they have a low vibration, they are skeptical, have a lot of cortisol and estrogen, not even drinking water, not even eating good, not even clean, just reducing to some very, very dumb stuff in the bedroom that it's not even necessary for. But I am out here working, taking care of myself, staying hydrated, staying clean, staying bold, having integrity in execution, baby. One more, do some dips. I know about that life. Promise y'all that y'all can see me right now, but kind of see myself a little bit. But basically, y'all never see me in shorts in my video. But I'm more of a person that just like to wear pants in the spring, summer, fall, and winter. I just love to wear pants, but I basically not no shorts person. But if it's Nikes, cool. But I'm a Nike fan, but not no Adidas, because like it doesn't suit me, it doesn't match. But Nikes are definitely more my thing since youth and birth. That's what I know about. It's more like a good tenth of my sobriety years, how much drug-free youth. All right, no talking, do some. Doesn't matter. In my back. Cool. After that, I'm about to go home, about to go take me a very nice freezing cold ice shower. Gonna wait to take my vitamins in 25 minutes so I can get the mission of my body to heal, reboot, and recover. Now I'm taking my vitamins, and I'm definitely going to be eating me something, because my grandmother was cooking something when I made a video going for my walk. Yeah, so that's what I really care about. That's my mental, physical, and spiritual health. So that's what I really care about. And I'm basically not out here just trying to look for notation, validation, recognition, none of that. Here, used to challenging myself how much I know about that life. Yeah, let's go. I thought it was gonna rain. Besides dancing in the rain, I was definitely going to work out in the rain. How much I really do love the rain. Like going for a run in the rain, doing workout in the rain. Because if your hands definitely try to slip, if you do push-ups or dips, whatever, try not to hit your lip or your head or your face or whatever. Make sure don't bleed. Well, sorry, but I had to move, but it was some very mysterious spider, like crawling, and it's standing right there just looking. But I'm basically not gonna put it on camera, but to be honest, but I'm not gonna kill it, but I'm gonna let it live its life, so. Yeah. But yeah. The crazy thing about it is, I have never, ever gotten bitten by the spider. For a fact is, I still haven't got bit by a spider. Not at all. Never ever got stung by a bee before either. Ever since in 2017, I just had a little bit of sting, but basically it didn't hurt. But in 2020, in July, dude, there was this wasp was all over my front porch, and all of a sudden, tried to move, like try to dodge, and it stung me in the fucking face, and had to go to my room. Gonna go get me some apple cider vinegar and tissue to put it in my face for about 1 minute, and I kid you not, it gone away instantly. It's a lot of work I've been doing for myself. How much I care about my skin, I care about my face, I care about my health. Failure, that's failure. But I feel the burn, but that was 23, but I can keep going if I really want to. But I got one more to do some damn squats. That definitely going to repeat and that. I'm definitely going to make this about I'm going to make this 25 to 30 minutes. If I really can't, I'm definitely going to call it a day. I'm definitely going to make more videos real soon. But the grind is not over, but the grind won't ever stop. But I'm always gotta push your mind somewhere. If you really can set into it, you can do anything. But for a fact is, these Decepticon low energy vampires may not understand, but once they get older, they're gonna be like, damn, why is the world and life and people are pressing me by? Because you don't fucking believe. It's that simple. trying to go work out, and I see these people over there looking for no fair reason, which means the grind won't ever stop. I don't let it overtake me, and I won't let it defeat me. I'm gonna keep on doing what I'm doing. Thank you. Thank you. They drove off. And now I can have my own distance safety. No matter what you do, the more I'm pushing them away and turning them off, because of my weirdness, it's definitely going to come out and show them. Thank you for that they turn off from it. Now, on my own peace and safety. So let's get to it. They're back again. What the fuck is up? But I'm not gonna do it. Oh, okay, cool. Make sure I don't fall or none of that. I'm waiting for them to drive away too. Don't just fucking stand there. Keep driving. Keep driving. Don't fucking stand there looking. Drive straight. Let me see how I can turn them off. Kind of hard to do, but basically not, because I did this about a year ago and I felt a good release from my legs and glutes. Yeah, I basically got, I think I did about 3. I got about 4 more. Definitely gonna call it, because nobody really wasn't at the park, and out of nowhere come up trying to fuck up my progress. But I'm not gonna give up. 3 more. Sorry, I have forgot my water, but I would definitely get my water for now on. Make it ice cold as possible, and yeah, I won't give up. Yeah, goes to go. No, it's you. Why is the reason why that I'm getting this now? Because I'm getting like some pain right here, like at the side of my rib. Yeah, I'm getting a pain. But I'm not gonna do no squats, but I'm definitely gonna do some incline right now. That's what I've been doing before. So yeah. But I'm glad about it. And so no excuse. See how many incline push-ups I can do. Try to make it through to 3-3 as possible without looking at the time. Let's go. Yeah, I looked at the time, but I don't care. Okay, I'm done. You know, whatever. Yeah, I'm proud of myself, though.